Hello guys, I am back in my workshop. Today I'm going to replace the battery for iPhone 5s. I bought it from Amazon around 15 bucks. It comes with this nice kit so you can easily remove the old battery and put the new one and get the phone charging fully. It will take around 10 minutes. I'm going to show you all the steps by removing the screen, removing the old battery and put the new battery and put the screen back on. Just make sure that you discharge the old battery because it might cause explosion if you hit it wrongly during the operation. Let's start. First we take off those two screws. We use this guitar pick to remove the screen. Now gently you need to remove the home button cable. When you open the screen, make sure you keep it at 90 degrees so you don't cut the cables. Now we remove the 4 screws for this panel. Now gently we disconnect the screen connectors. Then we have these 2 screws that cover the connector for the battery. We disconnect the connector for the battery. Use the plastic tools that came in the kit to remove the battery gently. Make sure that the battery is already discharged before you do this operation so you don't cause any fire. The battery is connected with a sticky tape in the back. You will get in the package double side tape so you can connect the new battery to the iPhone. Now we place the new battery in the phone and connect the cable. Then we put back the protection cover. Now we connect the screen again. We put the 3 cables back in the connectors. We put back the protection covers and put the 4 screws. Now we reconnect the cable for the home button. I will connect the phone to the charger to see if the battery is working. Yes, it's charging. If you found this video is useful and helpful, please leave a comment. Also like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching.